Good?
Good. Yeah, that's good.
All right, your point, man, now go. Yep. You're gonna have trench line to your immediate left. Look good?
Hey, group of guys there, but I don't know if
All right, so hang
too far to engage.
either way, hang tight. Let's verify.
Okay.
How far?
About 100 meters.
All right, favoring the wood line or the right?
They're, I don't know if you can see them, they're like right there.
Your eyes are so much better than mine, boy. I see them. So 2 dead walking back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, they're dead. They have dead rags.
All right. Go that way and walk right. I got you. You got one guy moving towards me. He's moving right. All right. I'm gonna go rally up with them. I'll be right back. Where y'all at? Yo, where y'all at? Hello, hello. No bands, where y'all at? It's just us, dude. What the fuck? Guys behind you are ours. Spread out. You got 4 friendlies behind you. Let's go. Keep an eye on that tower for me. Down. I got down. Down. It's right in front of me. The drone. Where are they at? Tell them to get their asses up here, please. You're good.
Sorry, that's good to hear.
You're good, man. All right, work. See the drone?
Yep, I see it.
All right, work your way up to it. I got you.
Okay.
Go for it. I don't know how heavy it is. You see someone? How far?
Far pushes right past the.
I hear him. Whatever, y'all gotta set security. Someone's gotta set security.
I'll sit here if you guys want to move past.
Yeah, go for it. And just keep talking to each other. 30 or 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. In the bush. No, it's not very descriptive. We'll just go back the way we came, okay? Where's the contact coming from? Move past me, please.
Taking this.
Move past me, follow him. Stay on his ass, please. One enemy? They're moving left.